I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna prototype our badbata buster. Now eventually it's gonna be made out of wood, but for now we're gonna be physically creating the prototype using my favorite foam core, which you can actually just pick up at your local dollar store. Now the black ones, for some reason, they're like $2 a pop, but our sword's gonna be black, so this is perfect. Now all you'll really need for this project is, well, a foam core. You're gonna need some sort of pen or pencil to draw your lines, and of course, a ruler to make those lines straight. You need a box cutter, and you're also gonna need a hot glue gun to put everything together. Now I'm taking the dimensions from my Sarcee sword, because our badbata buster is practically rectangular. This is a perfect reference. I also have the stick because this is the size I want our badbata buster to be. So practically just putting these two together. And also our badbata buster has 0 steel. So we're gonna be cutting down on weight for sure. Our buster sword is actually just gonna be a wooden training sword, but it will be usable unless you don't wanna like ruin the design on it. Then you just use it for cosplay or to hang up on your wall or something. All right, let's build this prototype. Lots of space on the floor. Yo, bruh, that is actually sick. What? Bam! That is sick! The badbata buster. What the heck are we doing, boys? This is cool. It's meant to be a one-handed sword, by the way, but you can fit 2 hands on this handle. Just foam core, guys. I did end up using some electrical tape to help reinforce the sword. Again, this is just a prototype, so before I actually hand it off to my woodcutter guy. Dude, I'm stoked. What? And while we wait for that to settle, I actually drew up some cyberpunk style assets, and now I'm gonna digitize them. What a beautiful day. It snowed, okay? Like 2 days ago, we had a full blizzard. It's Calgary for you. I have also not seen this thing in a while, David. So me and Gutu are gonna be going downtown Calgary, looking for spots, and today's just gonna be a shoot day. Practice our videography and photography, and also bringing some props with us.
Like tripod.
Wait, what?
It's like a magnet. I could open it up and like set it like
Oh,
a tripod.
I see. Yeah. Well, that's good for like self-shooting too, or like if I'm using a reference for a drawing.
Yeah, exactly.
That's so perfect. Is it heavy though?
Not really.
What? That's heavy. You're too strong, bro. So I think we got a spot. It's almost like an alleyway. Grabbing as much content as we possibly can. So we're sitting on it. It's windy, but we're here. A little bit. Hey, you!
Much warmer.
I know, you're right. No wind, too. Yeah, I think it was the alleyway concentrating the wind for sure. But it's so much nicer up here, guys. Bask in the sun. Make sure to put it on your sunscreen. Oh, you can't see the Calgary Tower.
I'm the cool kid from the block. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you're ready or not, I'm about to plenty drop.
What it is! Yo, let's go! I was just telling Guti, I really wanted to do this cosplay of Deku. This version specifically. Yo, that's sick, man.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I got a Deku cosplay from Amazon, and my plan was to tear it up and like weather it, make it dark and stuff, and like just add that kind of detail. But the cosplay actually seems pretty high quality, man, and I don't want to touch it. So I'm just thinking of, when I have enough funds, buying the same one. I'll keep a normal Deku for a normal Deku version, and then the other one I can just do whatever with. Rip it up if I want to.
Gotta get into a battle. Just fight somebody.
Actually, find Shigaraki and get into a hardcore fight. We're heading to Far right now because it's actually really cold. It's such a brisk wind. Like without the wind, it would actually be a pretty decent day. I mean, it still kind of is, but yeah, we're gonna go warm up. Let's go. Ooh, Thai bar. Okay, this is where we decided to eat. Fuck him. Beauty. Okay, let's get shots. Let's practice. I want to do more these days where we go out and actually grab content and have things we can actually edit, especially during the winter season. So take advantage this summer for sure.
Thai chili pepper?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, yeah, there. Thank you.
And we got a banh mi because I don't have food at home, so I'm gonna save half of this for my dinner later.
My appetite, no fork, no knife, having dinner with my eyes. So sweet, so nice, have a slice of apple pie. Wanna see my mind, baby.
Thank you.